strikes, the thunder roars, the wind rips through, rain pounds and pours. Then morning comes, the sun breaks through, the clouds roll back, the sky is blue. The storms will come, blow through our life. We'll all endure our share of strife. Stay faithful, know this too will pass. The darkest night will end at last. Our journey through this life on earth is not a time for seeking mirth, but learning what it means to trust in things eternal